Today I will show you two productive applications that you can make money and being productive with it. The first one is Canva. To open Canva, open Google Chrome or any browser and type Canva. Canva is an online application. Now I have opened the Canva. To start, you can click here start designing, and you have to sign up Canva if you are for first time, and continue with Google. I prefer to use Google. Now my Google account is linked with Canva. If you are first time for Canva, you should have to sign up and fill everything from the scratch. But for me, I already have a Canva account previously and I have some projects here. If you are new for Canva, the best way to start with Canva is using a template. Click this template. When you click template, it will give you so much options. You can search from this. For example, if you wanted to create a CV curriculum vitae using the professional or standard way, you can search here the template. For example, CV standard. When you use Canva, there are two options. The first one is the pro version and the rest one is the free one. Because the Canva is not free, you should have to get the paid version of Canva to use the pro functionalities. If you are new for Canva and if you don't spend any money on Canva, you should have to use the free resources. This crown symbol shows the pro version. You should have to skip it and you can select any free templates. For example, this one is the best one. This actually it is not standard, but also it is professional CV. Just you can customize this one, customize this. This is a free CV. You can use it yourself. As you have seen, it is professional CV. It is not standard. If you use a standard, just you can use any simple CV from the list, because this one have a photo and modern style. What you want to do is you can change all these things. For example, if you want to change the name, Ismail, my father name here, Kadir, and here my position, ICT administrator. You can also change your photograph. If you have from the library, you can attach it. If you don't have, you can upload your photo, change this photo respectively. You can change this contact address. For example, I will show you how you can attach the photo, upload photo if you don't have, but if you already have, you can search from the library. Okay, I have found my photograph here. You can drag and drop it here around the photo. Release your mouse, it will replace the existing photo. It makes for you as a professional. You can also change this contact address and everything. After you finished doing all things, finally come to here, share button, and click download button. Here there are different ways to download this using PDF, standard, PDF print. These are free versions. PDF print is good if you want to print. PDF standard is good for documents and emailing for office. So if you want to print, it is better to use PDF print. For example, I can use this PDF standard download. If you want to extra things like compressed PDF, flat PDF, you can use these options. For moment, I can use only download. Now it is downloading. Now it is completed. We can show it. Start downloading. Now I have downloaded the professional CV. I can open it. I will show you. This is an example of professional CV. You can make yourself being productive and you can make money on it. Previously in my computer shop, I have gotten 300 Birr for producing this CV for my customer per person. Only for one customer, I earned 300 Birr. Around university, college, you can make huge money. You can being productive and make money for sure. The second one is Gemini. Gemini is an excellent application to use for productive and make money. To start Gemini, type Gemini. Access the Gemini using email account, Google account to use Gemini. I have already a Google account attached with Gemini. If you are a new for Gemini, you need only to allow the Google account to use the Gemini. Now I have connected my Gmail account with Gemini. You can also also use mobile device. There is an application called Gemini. You can also use laptops, computers like this. I will show you a simple example. For example, with this I make 250 Birr by using this Gemini that I actually earned it. One of my customers, he wanted the best formatted work experience. If you want this, I can show you how to ask a Gemini or how to ask on AI. It depends on typing skill or reasoning skill, how you can coordinate words. This matter on the internet. You can find prompt engineering, focus on how to ask in AI and act as professional secretary and provide the standard format of work experience letter and format it to use inside Microsoft Word application choosing A4 paper orientation. When you ask in AI, your prompt should have some sort of parts. For example, act as professional. This is one of the main things that you have to write on AI, what you need to ask and the format. This is the layout of the AI. Now run this one. Your professional work experience letter format is ready. This document is designed to meet standard business requirement for A4 paper orientation. To create this professional within Microsoft Word, please follow this step. This formatting setting, paper size, go to layout and size A4. I will show you this one. Open Word application, layout, size A4, layouts here, size here, A4. A4 is this one because A4 is the best for every type of document. And also margin set to normal margin. Inside layout there is margin normal, body text 11 or 12 around here, 11 or text or the normal. You can modify the normal layout to 12. It is 12 actually. And also company name like that. We can open this later first because it depends on the document prepared by the AI. As you have seen, this is the format of the work experience that is prepared by Gemini. You can copy it and paste here. As you have seen, the best format of work experience, you can modify everything. You can modify things here. For example, company name, street, address, email, dates, whom it may concern. Okay, your work experience, dates here in detail. Finally, authorized signature name. You can use this by using Gemini. This is a very simple example. I'll show you. You can make money by providing for your customers like experience letters. Thank you for watching this video. Today, I have showed to you how you can be a productive and how you can make money by using two best applications, Canva and Gemini. Turn your face to your computer and make a practice. If you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel and hit a like button.